Hey there, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Gmail account using your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, simply click on Gmail at the top right corner of the homepage. It will redirect you to the account creation page. If you're using some other browser, you can go to workspace.google.com/gmail and it will redirect you to the account creation page. Now click on Create an account and click on For My Personal Use. Now enter your first name and last name and click on Next. Add your basic information like your birthday and gender and click on Next. Now choose an email address. Google might suggest you a few Gmail addresses for you. You can either pick a suggested email or you can create your own Gmail address. So here I will click on Create Your Own Gmail address and I'll type in the email that I want. If it's taken, Google will suggest you to try another variation. If it's available, you will proceed with the next step. Now choose a strong password. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and you should avoid common passwords like password123. Now add your phone number, make sure the country code is correct, and Google will send you a 6-digit code via SMS. You'll enter the code to verify your number. Now here you can enter a recovery email. It's useful if you ever forget your password, but this step is optional and you can skip it or you can enter a recovery email. Now click on Next. And here you should review all your details, make sure all the details are correct, and click on Next again. Now read Google's privacy and terms. If you agree, click I agree. And that's it. You'll now be redirected to your Gmail inbox and your account is ready to send and receive emails. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to your guide dude for more easy tech guides like these. Thank you so much.